Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creo tutorials how to move drawing view. We have these example parts and you can go to drawing tools, click new, click drawings and OK. Now in here I will use empty template, click OK again. So we have this empty template. To insert drawing you can click a general view, click OK and then I will click at this point. Now in here you can set for orientation, like I will move to top view. And the next for scale you can click at this option. I will change custom scale into 0,05 and you can apply. That will be automatically bigger. Click OK. Now if you want to move this drawing view into inside this template, you can right click in view in here and then you can check for lock view movement like this, so you can move this object into drawing area. If you want to lock again, you can right click in it and then click on lock view movement. Okay, that's it for basic Creo tutorials how to move drawing view. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.